Good afternoon. This is Steve Moran at Steve Moran Homes. A new sales record for the month of May was reported. May sales increased 6.3% compared to sales in May 2014. For the Toronto Real Estate Board market area as a whole, sales were up for all major housing types. However, in the City of Toronto, where the supply of low-rise listings has been constrained, sales were down for detached homes. It is clear that ownership housing remains top of mind as a quality long-term investment for Greater Toronto Area households. This is why, despite a persistent shortage of listings in some market segments, we experienced a record number of sales in the month of May. Record May transactions, coupled with a dip in the number of homes available for sale, resulted in strong price growth. The average selling price for all home types reported in May 2015 was up by 11% annually to $650,000. Tight market conditions, especially for singles, semis, and townhomes in the Greater Toronto Area, have resulted in strong price growth. With no relief so far on the listings front, expect similar rates of price growth as we move through the remainder of 2015. At this point, a number of months where listings growth outstrips sales growth will be required to satisfy pent-up demand. Thanks very much for your attention. I'd be happy to help you with your real estate needs. I can be reached at 416-949-1684, or you can visit me at stevemoranhomes.com. Have a great day.